Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the correct cuff and seating the person comfortably. Place the arm on a table so the brachial artery sits at heart level. This ensures accurate pressure reading. Once done, wrap the cuff snugly. One finger should fit under the edge, aligning the artery marker with the inner arm. Make sure clothing is not constricting the arm. Tight sleeves change readings. By beginning with proper fit and position, you reduce common measurement errors and prepare for a reliable reading. You now locate the pulse and pre-inflate to avoid underestimation. Palpate the radial pulse and pump the cuff 20-30 mmHg above where the pulse vanishes. This prevents missing the true systolic. Slowly release the valve at about 2-3 mmHg per second while listening over the brachial artery. When you hear the first clear tapping sound, record systolic. When sounds fade or disappear, record diastolic. Take time and steady releases, because rapid deflation yields. Finish by writing down the systolic/diastolic mmHg and which arm you used. Consistency matters, so repeat after 1 to 2 minutes and compare. If the person has an irregular heartbeat or the room is noisy, take 3 readings 1 minute apart and use the average for a reliable estimate. If successive values differ by more than 10 mmHg, recheck cuff size and arm position. Incorrect cuff or posture is the most common source of error, and the first thing to correct when results don't make sense.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.